Making $10,000 a month with dropshipping has never been more simple than it is right now with the power of AI, and GPT-5 has just released and it's crushed all of the benchmarks in the industry, and the best part is it's completely free to use right now. And if it wasn't for the power of AI, I wouldn't have this dropshipping store that I'm about to show you that's doing $10,000 a day. And I've also built something for you guys that are watching this video, and you're going to be able to use it, every single one of you. Now make sure you smash the like button, because once we hit 500 likes, I'm going to leave a Google Doc sheet with all of the prompts that I'm using right now for GPT-5 to increase my dropshipping results. So guys, as you can see, I'm inside of the Shopify dashboard, and you can see it's on yesterday, and this store did $8,000. And if I refresh the screen, you're going to see everything stays the same. Now I've changed the dates from the 9th to the 8th, and you can see 7,000. And if I change it to the 7th, you can see it's around about 7,000. So we're almost doing $10,000 a day. And if I change it to the last 90 days, we've done almost $600,000. So that is absolutely insane. And if it wasn't for AI, guys, we would not be achieving these kinds of results. So let me show you guys a reference product that I'm going to be using throughout the video so everything makes sense. So I'm going to be hypothetically selling this heated jacket. It's a very famous dropshipping product. You all pretty much know what it is, so let's use that as the demonstration. Now, if we head over to the new ChatGPT, you can see model 5 is here, the flagship model. Now, this model is the free model. Now, they have the thinking model and the pro model, but those are paid. So the free one is just GPT-5. So we're going to be using that throughout the video. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is a little bit of product research. Now, I've given GPT-5 an image of the product, and I said, analyze this product image and provide a comprehensive dropshipping assessment, including market potential, target demographics, pricing strategy, seasonal trends, competitive landscape, marketing angles, and suggest 5 similar products in the category, and also tell me if this is a winning product and whether I should sell it or not. So let's just click the send button. Guys, literally within around about 30 seconds, we've got our answer, and that's one of the biggest improvements for GPT-5. The response time is a lot quicker and the information is even greater. So look at this dropshipping assessment for the heated vest. Market potential. This heated vest is strong and growing, specifically the global market. So it goes over the market potential and how it's grown. Then it goes over the demographics, outdoor commuters, age groups, and geography. Then it goes over the pricing strategy based on competitors as well. Then it goes over the seasonal risk, the competitive landscape. So it goes over who my biggest competitors are. And I know all of these competitors and I know they're legit. So I can verify the competitors it's given me are true and legit, which is absolutely amazing. Instead of me having to go out there and find them, it's given me here. It's given me the marketing angles like stay warm, hands-free, outdoor lifestyle, storytelling, comfort and tech, value versus premium. So these are really good, strong angles. And it's also given me trending similar products at the moment. Now Google Shopping is integrated within GPT-5. You can see some examples that it's given me. And it's basically gone over what the carousel highlights are. Then it's gone over whether or not this product is a winner. So yes, it is a strong contender. Why could it be a winning dropshipping product? It's trending at the moment, seasonal demand, affordability, and key considerations. Now you guys can see just from that response, GPT-5's product research or product validation has got drastically better than before. And honestly guys, before it was not very good. Now it's actually very good. And if you've got a product in mind that you've already found from an ad spy tool that already shows potential, this is a great way to validate the product and gather even more information like I've just shown you. Now, before we move to the next step, I want to show you something that can make your whole Shopify journey much easier. Are you tired of spending time, money, and hope on a Shopify store that just won't sell? You're not alone. Most beginners get stuck on the same things. Bad design, slow site, no traffic, and no idea what product will actually sell. I get it. You try to do it yourself. You watch tutorials. You copied a template. But sales didn't come. Your store looks unprofessional on mobile. The checkout is confusing. Your product pages don't convince people to buy. That feeling of wasted time and money is real. It's frustrating. It kills momentum. That's why I build Shopify stores that work. I do the tech. I design a clean, trustworthy store. I write product pages that sell. I set up payments, shipping, and automation so you can focus on ads and growth, not wiring things together. My goal is simple. Give you a ready-to-sell Shopify store without the stress. You will get a modern, Mobile-friendly store that looks trustworthy, with winning products added to your store. High-converting product descriptions and images, fast checkout, payment setup, and domain integration. Sales tools like Facebook Pixel, abandoned cart recovery, live chat, and reviews. SEO basics and apps that boost sales. Unlimited revisions for a short time and ongoing support after launch. People buy from stores that look real and make checkout easy. When your pages speak the right words and your site loads fast on phones, visitors become buyers. You don't need to be a tech person. You just need a store built to convert. I won't leave you hanging. I offer ongoing support after we launch. I will guide you on the first steps for ads and traffic. If you want a store that looks professional and actually makes sales, click the link in the description now. I'll handle the hard part. You handle the fun part. That is making your first real sale. Stop guessing. Get a store that works. Click the link and let's build your Shopify store today. Now, the next prompt that we're going to give GPT-5 adds to this, guys, and this whole conversation is designed to keep adding on top because the context window for GPT-5 now, which means how much it understands and remembers, has drastically improved, which means the longer the conversation goes with good prompts, and again, the better the prompts, the better GPT-5 gives you responses, which is going to make you money whilst dropshipping. And that's why it's important to get my prompts, guys, once we hit 500 likes. So the next prompt is analyze current dropshipping trends for the heated vest and predict upcoming opportunities. Consider social media and patterns in consumer behavior and provide actionable insights for product sourcing. Now you can see here it says thinking longer for a better answer, analyzing trends. So you can see it's being a lot more smarter than the 4.0 model. Now check this out, guys. It's starting to respond and the information is absolutely game changing. So you can see here, what did the trend data say? Search interest spike hard in Q4 to Q1 in multiple Google Trends roundups. So it actually now goes to Google Trends and does multiple phrase searches and gives you that information. It couldn't do that before, and when it did try, it was really bad. So this is really, really good. The actual category of heated jackets and vests are growing as well. Social proof. You can see here TikTok shop listings and UGC honest reviews, workwear tests, and gift guide style videos continue to circulate each winter, useful signals for the organic demand. Then it goes over the near-term opportunity within the next 90 to 180 days, and then it goes over how upcoming in late September we should do the pre-order notify campaign. So it's basically saying the best time to sell this product is in late September, and you can start doing a pre-order model to gauge the interest. Then it goes over TikTok shop bundles, working niche target in women and fit plus sizes, gift ready. Then it goes over the consumer behavior, battery, anxiety, zones and matter, care and safety. Then it goes over the creative and messaging, that angles that convert, layer less, work warmer, 3 zones, quick heat under 30 seconds, gift winter proof your dog's walks. So it's actually listed some really good different angles that could convert to consumers. This is where you can really get off to a good start with a dropshipping product now, because all this information is so good that you can pretty much predict how the market's going to be and you can start getting your foot within it. Now the next prompt's going to add to this, which is research my top 5 competitors for the heated vest and create a comprehensive analysis of the pricing strategies, marketing tactics and product offerings, customer reviews, weaknesses, and suggest different ways for my store. We don't want to be stupid and compete directly with our competitors by doing the same tactics. So instead of us doing that, we're going to get GPT-5 to figure out how we can find a gap in the market and start making money. Now, just like that, guys, we've got the top 5 competitors, quick facts. Now, the first one is correct. That is the biggest competitor in the market. It goes over the price range. The marketing is premium brand vibe, lifestyle, the reviews. So this is all good information. Then it goes over all the other competitors, and all this information, guys, by the way, is accurate as I've checked it myself and you guys can as well. Then it breaks down everything in depth. But the most important part for me with this answer is how to differentiate your store. Actionable. Offer the complete kit by default. So it goes over what the complete kit is and why you should offer it completely instead of selling it separately. Then it goes best in class warranties, to offer a warranty. So the other competitors obviously offer a limited warranty. Then it goes over nail the fits competitors miss, separate patterns from men to women with plus options. Then it goes over being transparent, functionality and accessory flyaware. Then it gives me a summary table of them versus us and the way we compete play the game to make money. Now guys, this how to be different is really good, by the way. The tips it's given me are actually what I would have done without AI telling me. And remember guys, I've been doing dropshipping now for almost 10 years, generated over $20 million. So for AI to tell you what I would have told you is absolutely insane. Now, you can obviously tell it to go more in depth on this, but this actionable step on how to be different is valid, and it is a great way to beat the market. Now, the next prompt we're going to give it is design a comprehensive A/B testing scenario for my heated vest, including ad copy variations, landing page elements, pricing strategies, email marketing, and predict which variations will perform better and why. Now, this is where the money is really made, guys, because you don't make money in dropshipping if you don't A/B test, and you want the AI to predict which narrative is going to work. So you start from the most probable to the least probable. And by getting AI, and it's so smart now with GPT-5 to do this, you're going to save yourself a lot of time and a lot of money. So you can see here the ad copy variant for cold traffic. You can see variant A, which is utility first, B, which is lifestyle, C, which is tech, and D, which is price anchoring. And you can see here the prediction, which is the likely one to win, which is option A or variant A, likely to win in colder weather months. And you can see here shivering commutes, heat up in 30 seconds anywhere. Then we can see the landing page elements. We got the hero image, social proof element, CTA, feature, and warranty. And you can see here the prediction, the version A versus B. Then it goes over why these predictions make sense. It gives you the actual thought process, and then it gives you the pro tips of running these tests as quick as you can. So guys, this is what makes a winning dropshipper versus a losing dropshipper. Those that are willing to do A/B testing and work out which is the most probable versus the least probable, and test it as smart and as effective as possible. And sometimes we don't know which one is the most probable, so using the smartest AI to help us figure that out is the best option. Now, before we come to the end of this video, I want to inform you about my done-for-you Shopify services that will take care of all the hard parts from start to finish. Whether you're just getting started or you've been struggling to get your store off the ground, I've got you covered. I and my expert team will design and set up a fully optimized and functional store for you. Just place your order and we will get to work. You don't need to struggle with tech setup and all of that. We will handle the hard part. You just have to sit back, relax while we take care of everything. We'll help you select products that are guaranteed to sell. We'll set up payment gateways, marketing tools, and more. We don't just build your store and disappear. We're here for you long term. Click the link in the description to get started.